my name is Asina and I'm here in my kitchen. Welcome to my channel, and hope you have a beautiful day today, just like outside. It's very beautiful weather here in Texas. So today guys, I have this beautiful recipe that I've been making this recipe, but to be honest, I've been making this recipe, I'm craving a blueberry muffins and dragon fruits. Combine those two, mix. So I think it will be yummy. So please subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please do. It's free, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that way you can notify and when my next video. So guys, I'm gonna show you the dragon. It's powder form and actual it's pink color. It's very beautiful color, and that's my beautiful color. That's my favorite color too, pink. And like I like purple too. So that's why I'm gonna add some blueberry, fresh blueberry to this mixture. So we'll have a vibrant color. So see, there you go. And this is also organic. I got it in Amazon. So guys, let's get started. So who knows, you might like it. So guys, here's my ingredients. So I have blueberry there, and of course egg and sugar and baking powder, and also a baking soda and yogurt. So like I said, yogurt is good for fruits. So, and butter, of course. So let's get started. I show you the beautiful vibrant color for this muffins. So let's get started. Yeah, that's the milk. Okay. So we're gonna start with the flour. Okay. And I have 3 cups of flour here. Okay. And then half teaspoon of salt. Baking soda. It's half teaspoon. And then 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So let's mix this. Sugar. This is 1 cup of sugar. Just add everything there. And then, of course, and then egg. Alright, so I'm going to mix the egg here. Put some 3/4 cup of milk, of course. Okay. And my husband, this is our favorite. And then I'm gonna put it here. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the yogurt. So the yogurt is 3/4 cup. Okay, so I'm gonna add the butter. Okay, so to that, I'm gonna open this beautiful dragon fruit. going to add until they become pink. Okay, this is powder. Ta-da! Look at that beautiful color. Okay, so I'm gonna start the 3 tablespoons. Then I can add it for more until it become pink. And then I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon. So, mix. I'm just gonna mix it until I did not see any more white color. Okay guys, so now it's done. All you have to do is put it in a muffin. Okay, so I am going to add a vanilla extract. Almost forget this vanilla extract. But oh, I like my muffins with vanilla flavor. This is a real vanilla anyway, so we want that. Ooh. That's 1 teaspoon and splash. Okay. Just mix the vanilla. So I'm just gonna use this. Use this. I'll make 18 pieces. But I like my muffins big. So I'm going to add I have a 1 cup of blueberry, fresh blueberry. I'm just gonna drop it. So that, look at that guys. What do you think, huh? So let's get baking. Okay, let's cook it now. Okay, it's 375 until it's done. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys! Here it comes. It's done. When the muffin is cooked, you press in the middle. It's bounce, but it's hard. It's dense. That means it's cooked. It's the color is like magenta because I use 4 tablespoons. See how pretty? And just let it. I need to let it cool. Ouch! Very hot. So I'm just transferring to this plate, so that way it will cool a little bit. I can't find my my cooling rack because I clean up my kitchen. I moved around my kitchen, and then now I can't find where I put it. Look at this, how huge that become. I remove the small one. It's room temperature. A little bit, keep a little bit warm, a little bit, but I'm gonna eat it now. I can't wait to dig in. So here it comes. The muffins. It's the color is on top, and the inside, the bottom is kind of yellow. So I guess that's the natural color of fruit. It rise up. I have no idea. So well, so let's try. Okay, let's dig in. Very tender. Yeah, tender and it's not too super sweet. Because I add some I put some I can taste the blueberry is more sour than the more sour than the mixture, the cake alone, but it's got a good flavor. It's soft, so look at that, very soft, very tender, and it's very delicate. I don't know what to say, but really good. I can taste the dragon fruit a little bit. Yeah, not very. You know, the dragon fruit is not very strong flavor. They have mild flavor, the dragon fruit, and the strawberry, the blueberry. Thinking strawberry because it looks like strawberry. I mean, yeah. So yeah, the blueberry, it's sour, and it gives like more kick, like it goes together, because the dragon fruit does not have a lot of flavor. Wrapped individually.
Dragon fruit blueberry muffin. Let's see what we got. Oops. That's pretty good.
Can you taste the dragon fruit?
Kind of fruity and a little bit sweet, and then the blueberries are kind of tart.
Cool. We're not
If you know why it
scientists.
turned white or turned back to yellow in the middle, comment down below.
That's right. Please.
But click the subscribe button, the bell icon if you want to see more videos from us. Kain tayo. Thank you for watching.